I will never give up.
Aurelia, I've told you to stay away from mortals. You cannot live with them.
I do not wish to live with them. I wish to live like them. Don't you see how free they are? They can just roam wherever they want.
You know the rules. It's time you forget about them. Hey, sweetie, how about a little company tonight?
I'm here on business, ladies, and I'm not interested.
Too bad. Carlos wants you too, and he always gets what he wants.
Carlos? Carlos Martinez?
Exactly, the great man himself.
I need to talk to Maxie. Bill told me she's here, right?
Yeah, she's inside. She knows Carlos.
Do you need a hand?
No, I'm fine.
Do you have your toothbrush?
Yes, I do have my toothbrush.
What about underwear?
I've got my underwear, Jesus.
I was just trying to help. You know how you always forget things. Well done, babes. But you should really think about getting a move on and get changed.
What?
We need to be at my parents' 4-5, so you need to hurry up.
Well, I'm changed. What's wrong with what I got on?
Paul, okay, you're a fucking travesty. This shirt is a disgrace. And them pants, they are disgusting. There's no words to describe their hideousness. You are not Liam Gallagher, and even if you were, they went out of fashion in the mid-90s.
Well, I like them.
Well, Paul, can you just put on the clothes I laid on the bed for you? Paul, can you change, please?
I suppose you've come here to kill me. Your pathetic attempt to convince her of these lies will not work. What a waste. Kill her.
Look, Senora, I really don't want to have to shoot you both. Especially your daughter.
I know what happened to those who go. You had them working in unbearable conditions. How can you do that?
This is your last chance! What shall it be?
Abrázame fuerte, Sara.
I'll be in the car, yeah? Get it started and get it all nice and toasty.